To BETT Show in London, we are JOS Technology. I'm introducing you JOS, our innovative system for charging all electronic devices. This is the core, the JOS wall strip that can bring electricity all around the classroom like a skin. Just take the power from the normal grid, and with the normal power supply we can work in very low voltage. It's extremely safe. Just mount all the strip and you have many powerful sockets. We can provide angular smart solution for your classroom. This is our new plug. It's a new kind of plug and socket. Just connect the plug to the wall strip and you can bring the electricity directly on your desk. I show you the connection. As you can see, the device gets immediately in charge. You can also power some electronic appliances like lights. We can charge a notebook, tablet, and all the device, so it's the maximum integration. Then you can link with the system the table one by one, linked as clusters, as traditional linear, like alternative row, depending on your needs, on your didactic needs. So, JOS is maximum integration, maximum flexibility, and you can power dozens, hundreds of devices from just one power supply. Thank you.